look at another theorem, Theorem 4, which states that the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. What do we mean by right angle? Angle 90 degrees. Now, if I have a circle, this is a circle. Semicircle means I'm dividing the circle into two equal parts. Let's say this is a semicircle. Don't forget, I'm not using a compass here. So this line divides this circle into two equal parts. Now, the theorem says that angle in a semicircle is what? Right angle. Now, what is the proof? You know that sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So if I now have angle in a semicircle, that means if from this arc, which is a semicircle, the arc is diameter this time around, we are going to, let's call it AB. So that means from this arc AB, I will form an angle here. So what is going to be this angle? As you can see, the angle here is 180, and we know that there's a theorem that says that sum of angle at angle at the center twice angle at the circumference. So that means this is going to be 90 degrees, because this is 180 divided by 2 will give me 90 degrees. So that is what brought this theorem, that is angle in a semicircle is right angle. So your right angle can be anywhere. So if I have another circle in this form, this is a semicircle, my angle here is also 90 degrees. Why? Because this is a semicircle and this is 180 degrees. Do you get that now? So this is 90 degrees. So if I did not choose I can decide to extend my own circumference here. So this is also 90 degrees. If I extend it here, so far it's coming from the same arc. This is 90 degrees. If I extend it like this, don't forget, because we have 180, so this is what? 90 degrees. This is what? 90 degrees. So you can see that if I have another circle that is not coming from this arc, you know, it is possible for me to have a circle, this is another circle, and I have, this is 90 degrees, and in the same circle I can have another arc like this. Do you get that now? In the same circle I can have another arc like this. So if I have something like this, this is not 90 degrees. Why? Because this chord here is not a diameter. It's not coming from the center of a circle. This is the center of a circle. Do you get that now? So always take note of that. What you need to trace is it a semicircle? So if it's a semicircle, that means the chord, that is the straight line which passes through the center of a circle, is going to come from this arc, extend to the circumference, from that same arc to the circumference. So if you have another chord entirely that is not semicircle, that is not diameter, you are not going to obey this theorem. Do you get that now? So let's take example under this two theorems. So I'm going to write one question. Another thing is, a question can solve 2 to 3 theorems. Are you getting? That is, in a question you can apply more than one theorem to solve it. Don't forget.